What's going on, everybody? You've shown a lot of interest in the Gardus Soot Eater, so I thought I'd do a little video kind of showing how it works and what's in the box. Stay tuned. In the box you get a 3-inch cleaning head, a 4-inch cleaning head, 3 rods which are 3 feet apiece. The heads are removable. You also get a brush, and the only thing you'll need is a drill. Once you've assembled the soot eater itself, which is very easy, you insert the other end into the chuck of the drill, tighten it up, and make sure the drill is in the clockwise or tightening mode. This is to ensure that the rods don't come apart when you're actually doing the cleaning. See those joints? You want those to go clockwise. My pellet vent or chimney has about a 2-foot horizontal run and a 4-foot vertical run. First you want to make sure the pellet vent itself is cool to the touch. Then you want to take off the cap that covers the vent on the bottom. This is called a clean out cap. Some pellet stove vents just have a horizontal run with a cap at the end. You'll probably want to take that cap off. As you insert the brush end in, you're going to want to hit the trigger of the drill and make sure that it's going clockwise. While holding the drill trigger down, you also want to kind of continue up and down the pipe with the brush, all the way up to the very top and all the way down to the bottom. You can see at the top just how much soot is coming out of the vent pipe. Then if your drill has a higher speed mode, you want to put it into the high speed mode and kind of hit it again. Then just continue pushing the brush in and out until there's not much soot coming out. You'll then want to feed the brush into the horizontal portion of the pipe. Be careful, a lot of stoves have a temperature probe inside that pipe. You want to do the same thing with that portion of the pipe, just push the brush in and out while holding the trigger down. The last thing you want to do is put your clean out cap back on, and you're good to go. I'd say this is one of the best tools to clean out a pellet vent. I've had it for over 3 years now, and it continues to hold up and do quite well. I clean out my pellet vent probably once a month during the heating season. So if this is something you'd like to pick up, I'll leave a link in the description below. And as always, we'll see you on the next one. And one more thing, please hit that like and please subscribe. Thanks again.